Jamaica garnered 7 medals on Saturday's second and penultimate day of the North America, Central America and Caribbean Games in Canada, including 4 gold medals. World and Olympic sprint hurdles medalist Hansel Parchment added the regional title to his collection after capturing the event in Toronto.
Here we go, your Lasix MD 110 hurdle final. It is Alan Harris. Very good start in lane 3. And now here comes Parchment. Oh, trouble in the hurdles for Alan and Cabral. Alan's out. Parchment wins. Hansley Parchment.
Despite his customary slow start, the 6'5" Parchment powered his way through the field in a stadium record of 13.28 seconds to get the better of American Alec Harris 13.49 and Barbadian Shane Brathwaite in 13.52 seconds. 2015 world champion Danielle Williams was not as fortunate as Parchment as she watched the world record holder Kendra Harrison cruise to a championship record of 12.55 seconds to capture the women's 100 meters hurdles. Williams finished second in 12.67 seconds. Taekwondo Tracy's impressive 2018 season continued as the national champion captured the men's 100 meters in 10.03 seconds.
And we're underway, and that was a good reaction time for Rogers. Now Anderson pulls up. On the outside, it's Burrell. In the middle, though, it's Tracy! Taekwondo Tracy, who was...
Compatriot Kenroy Anderson did not finish after pulling up 10 meters into the race. Johnny Smith grabbed silver in the women's equivalent with 11.07 seconds as American Jenna Prandini sped to a fast 10.96 seconds for top honors, while two-time Olympic champion Shelly Ann Fraser-Price faded into 5th in 11.18 seconds. Meanwhile, Jamaican athletes also secured the men's and women's 400 meters titles. Stephanie Ann McPherson took the female event in a comfortable 51.15 seconds, while Christine Day was 5th in a pedestrian 53.05 seconds.
McPherson has done everything, and Stavern continues to work hard. She is right in the middle of this. Okolo's going to make the surge late. It's McPherson and Stavern. Now Okolo to the drag race. Does she have time to make this up? It doesn't look like it. Stephanie Ann McPherson dominates. And second will be the Canadian Stavern. What a run for her on the outside.
2017 National Championship runner-up Demish Gay led home a Jamaican 1-3 finish with a powerful late surge to take the men's one-lap event in 45.47 seconds, fending off the challenge of Costa Rican Nery Brenes 45.67, while Fitzroy Dunkley held on for bronze in 45.76 seconds.
It is still Taplin. Here comes Cardenas. Pringle in 3. It's going to be a little late for him. It's Taplin and Cardenas. And now Gay getting into this. And look at Gay. Another gear for the Jamaican. Demish Gay, the winner. It's Gay, Cardenas, Dunkley, Jamaica, gold and bronze.